Alright, I'll give you a quick update on ETH. So not too much has changed, to be honest, since the last video. I know there is so much fibs and so much noise on this chart, so do just bear with me while I explain where I think we are. So just briefly, we have been in this downtrending channel. In the previous video, I believe we were somewhere around here, or maybe this was a couple of videos ago, but you know, I was saying we would need to see if we are able to break above this red trend line here. This is the 3,293. I was saying, obviously I said the same analysis for Bitcoin as well. If we come over to Bitcoin, I was saying I would want to see a close above 44,476 and 45,894. So very similar analysis for ETH. We have broken out of this trend line. We are still above this trend line, so I wouldn't be mega bearish until we do break below. Obviously we can just move this over now because, you know, I'm not saying that we are going to bounce. I am simply saying that I would need to see a bounce like this, get above this trend line here, and then start heading off to the races before I did get bullish for this coin. So honestly, not too much is happening. On the daily, we have just back tested this. I really hope that we don't re-enter this channel. You know, I don't personally hold any Ethereum, nor do I plan on accumulating any, but obviously if Ethereum does break down into this channel, the potential price targets are pretty horrendous. So obviously these are all potentials. If we do come over to the total crypto market cap, you can see why Ethereum is bearish. It is because the total crypto market cap has broken below the 618 fib from this huge bull run that we put in on the 20th of June. So this was just after we topped out, came down and went for another rally. That 618 we have unfortunately broken below. So I have outlined in my previous video, I do expect us to at least come down to the 1.618. I also did say that I wouldn't be switching bearish or fully bearish until we do close a weekly candle below this this orange line here. So once we do close an orange candle below the 1.84 trillion, I would personally be switching bearish. Obviously we are looking at the total crypto market cap as a leading indicator for Ethereum. If the total crypto market cap does continue breaking down, then I do believe Ethereum is going to be right back in this downtrend. If we do zoom out, look for a potential fib, you can see that we have broken below the 236. So, you know, we might as well get rid of this fib. This fib is basically done for. If we look at this fib here, you can see really our last line in the sand would be this 786 coming in at 2392. So if we do hold this line, it is potential, you know, that was the bottom and this was just one last scare before, you know, we do start turning up again. This would, you know, look quite nice if we put a daily wick down here and had a weekly close somewhere around about here. This would be a nice kind of W pattern that we would put in if we're discounting the wicks. But obviously even if we are putting wicks down here, I would like to see them, you know, at least a decent amount above this green wick down here at 2164. So all in all, you know, don't flip too bearish until we do break into this channel again. If we do break in, then, you know, I would start being very worried, especially for altcoins. Finishing off this video with the Bitcoin dominance. If we do come over to the daily, you can see that the Bitcoin dominance has broken above the 200-day moving average. So obviously while the Bitcoin dominance is heading up, it means that altcoins, obviously including Ethereum, as Ethereum's an altcoin. I know a lot of you don't a lot of people don't necessarily agree that Ethereum is an altcoin, but by definition it is. So while the Bitcoin dominance is going up, altcoins are predominantly going to bleed against Bitcoin. That obviously includes Ethereum. So, you know, while this rallies up, it is potential that Ethereum is going to become much cheaper against Bitcoin. So that is personally why I am sitting in my Bitcoin bag right now. I would like to accumulate some more altcoins once it does look like we've put in some lower targets, or once it does like we've put in a bottoming signal. But, you know, I've been sitting on the sidelines for the past few weeks. If any of you have been watching my videos, I've kind of just been very much sitting on the sidelines, apart from I have accumulated a small bit of Bitcoin, or, you know, I've accumulated a decent bit of Bitcoin, but I am looking to accumulate some lower price targets. So yeah, just to reiterate, while we are above this green trend line, don't really freak out, but if we are looking at the total crypto market cap, I am staying out of the markets until we do break back above the 1.84 trillion. So that's all I'm seeing for Ethereum right now. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.